This is where the students are going to start synthesizing absolutely everything for their final presentation. So there's a few key components that they still need to integrate, and part of that is the education principles, and that's included in the module, as well as discerning the evidence-based practice that they're going to integrate for their health issue. So this is the time where they're going to start selecting some choices and going back to applying their wisdom. What is going to really work for a particular health issue based on the analysis that they've done so far? The community health assessment, getting the insight from the stakeholder or the person who prepared as a part of the preparation process for the health assessment, and then going into systems thinking and looking at her organization, her locus of his or her locus of control, and then how is the student going to educate those folks, engage those folks in population health practice, and also integrate evidence-based practice as the final synthesis piece. So there are quite a few references that are included here as far as evidence-based practice. Of course, there are others, but these are specifically focused on population health-based practice. And these are some of the resources that are high quality and peer-reviewed resources for the students to use. And there's also information on Knowles theory, as well as some additional information on education, and there's some from one of the key textbooks for nursing education, Bastable, is included here. So there's resources here for them to really analyze and figure out what is going to work best for their particular audience. So with that being said, I'm just going to go into module number 5 as well, because really that's the presentation itself. And module 5 is a short module. And back to module number 4, there is no discussion board there because we have the Thanksgiving holiday within that module, so to allow them to have some break time with their family is really important too. So we need to be respectful of them, so I didn't include a discussion board. So this is an overview of the learning outcomes. So we need to recap how far we've come in this course to really demonstrate the progress, and this is where they will include their presentation as well. And then in this module there is a very brief discussion board just to their takeaways and from this course, and please remind them to do the course evaluation as well. I'll be interested to see what the feedback is about the course, and I'd be interested with your feedback as well. So thank you so much for doing this for our students. I greatly appreciate it, and I hope these overviews have been a little helpful to you, and if you have questions, let me know.